In Visma.net Insights, you can filter the dashboard elements to specify the information you would like to see. Let us go to the Profit and Loss dashboard and look at the element Revenue. Click on the filtering symbol. Let us start to filter on Time Period, which is usually the first filter you will use. Here you have many possibilities, and there are two types of time filtering, dynamic and static. The difference between these two is that the static filter will use absolute values, where the dynamic uses values that are defined relative to today's dates. Let's say that you want to see January to December 2017. You should use the static filter for this. And every time you open the dashboard, it will display the time period you have set. If you select a new end date, like June 2017, you will see the figures get updated immediately. The dynamic filter, on the other hand, is different. Let's say that you want to look at the figures only for the current year. Then you will select the option Year to Date, and all the months from this year will be displayed in the element. In addition, you have the full flexibility to define your own dynamic time period. You can either choose to select the last 12 months or the next 6 months, or you can combine them to see the last 6 months and then next 6 months. Note that the date range has changed in the dashboard element according to the selection you make in the time filter. In both the dynamic and the static time filter, you can choose the period granularity you want, months, quarters, or years. You also have the possibility to include the current period or not with this checkbox. For example, board members normally just want to see the months that are closed. Accounts, on the other hand, might want to see figures as of today, so you can then select to include the current period. Another useful feature is to use Stack Previous Periods. This cumulates the values from the previous periods. The second filtering possibility is on Dimensions. Here you will see all sub-accounts that you have used in your system. Sub-accounts without transactions will not be seen in Insights. Also, the sub-accounts that have only one value will not be shown in the Dimensions filter. We want the user to be able to easily use the filters. Let us go to Dimensions, Account, and select the accounts 3000 and 3030. You can even exclude any dimension value from the filtering. For example, you want to see all the regions except West. Then go to the region dimension, click on Select All, and then on West. And now see how the element changes and the figures are updated automatically. This info icon displays all the dimensions values that the element is filtered by. Good luck with your dashboards. Thanks for watching.